When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. I was running from my brother and his friends, and tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass I rolled in. I was younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart, broke it here, met friends and loved them through the years. And I've not seen the roaring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home.
I'm on my way, driving at 19 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel, and it's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill.
15 years old and smoking hand-rolled cigarettes, running from the law through the backfields and getting drunk with my friends. And my first kiss on a Friday night, I don't reckon that I did it right. I was younger then. So long, oh how we've grown, but I can't wait to go home.
I'm on my way, driving at the sunset over the castle on the hill. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill.
One friend left to sell clothes, one works down by the coast, one has 2 kids but lives alone, one's brother overdosed, one's already on the second wife, one just barely getting by. But these people raised me and I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, I still remember these old country lanes
When we